Welcome to the Hob app. I'm glad you're here. Let's make a group trip. Instead of creating a new trip, let's add a friend to our trip we created in the last video. From the Your Trips navigation category, select Trip Members. Since we only have one trip, the Grand Canyon trip is already selected by default. Scroll down and click the Add Remove Grand Canyon Trip Members button. Select a friend from the drop-down list and assign a role. Each role has different capabilities. Every trip is required to have a leader. By default, this is the person who created the trip, though it can be reassigned. Then click Update Trip Members. The new member has been added with a pending status. Once the new user has agreed to join the trip, the pending status is removed. Scrolling down the trip, you'll notice a new section for shared gear. This is where gear items can be assigned to trip members to facilitate sharing gear during the trip. Click Add Shared Gear. Using the search bar or the category tabs, select a gear item to share. I'll select a GPS communicator, and then we'll click Add Gear Item. Let's add one more. This time, I'll choose a compass. Next, I'll assign the GPS communicator to my friend, Test User 2, and click Update Supplier. Now, I'll assign the compass to myself, Test User 1. The planning board also has a new section for group trips. Scroll up and click on the planning board. Scrolling to the bottom of the planning board, you'll see a Planning Board Posts section. This is a message board for trip members to communicate trip planning ideas with each other. Let's go back to the dashboard to take a look at the trip report. On the dashboard, click on Download Reports. This is where you can view and download trip and gear reports. For many outdoor activities, such as backpacking in the wilderness, it is recommended to keep a copy of your itinerary in your car and to provide one to a trusted third party for safety reasons in case of an emergency. A trip report PDF is intended to be used in such a manner, and it is the reason the app allows the user to input an emergency contact and medical information. By default, no maps are included in the printout. Check the boxes if you'd like to add them. All of your trip's destinations, locations, and waypoints are included by default, but board cards are not. Click Select Additional Board Card to add any cards from your board that are not part of your trip. As the table of contents reveals, the result is a large report with many sections. The first is your emergency contact and medical information. The next is the trip overview. And then there's an overview map of the trip with its various destinations. Then the trip route is displayed with directions for each leg of the trip. Next is a listing of other trip members and their contact information. The full trip itinerary is displayed with each destination, location, and waypoint presented. Following the itinerary are the destination maps, followed by the loadout you assign to the trip, and any shared geared items. Here, the additional board cards have been included, as well as their corresponding maps. I hope these videos have been a helpful demonstration of the app's basic functionality. If you have questions, be sure to check out the Frequently Asked Questions page found in the App navigation category. For inspiration and learning, please check out the blog articles found in the Articles navigation category. Safe travels, and God bless.